الساعة كام دلوقتي؟ ما ينفعش تتأخر عن 10 دقايق، لو سمحت اطلع بره.
أنا متأخر على محاضرات كتيرة وده مش كويس، مش كويس لآخر السنة يعني. لازم أشوف حل للمشكلة دي ضروري. كده مش هتأخر تاني.
The design of the watch consists of 44 components and splits into two major parts, the outer and inner. The inner part is made of 26 gears and 29 components in total. Whereas, the outer appearance of the watch is made of 15 components, mostly of the watch strap. The yield strength value, which if the stress exceeds the material will undergo a permanent deformation, is approximately 2.413 E plus 0.8 N/m². For the applied torque, 0.01 N.m, the components won't break, only deformation will have an effect.